Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. On continuation of my fourth lecture, today we are going to see some more stuff, get some more deeper knowledge on the Microsoft Excel interface itself. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the Excel workbook and really what makes up the Excel workbook interface. Now I mentioned that the Excel workbook or the workbook type is the one which is your main Excel file. So wherever you save the file, that file is called as the Excel file. That's where you're gonna be working in. Now it's actually got several pieces of it. Here I'm looking at the Excel workbook, but I have got what's called a worksheet. Okay, so this is, you see, sheet 1, right? Currently I have a worksheet called sheet 1. So there's a little plus sign right next to that. You can add additional sheets to the workbook itself. Okay, and remember that the Excel workbook, the main Excel file, and within there you can have multiple worksheets. Whatever your need is, on which basis you work, you can add your additional files on the same additional sheets on the same workbook. All right, and turning out one, you can actually have several. They used to limit it to 255 worksheets instead of a single Excel workbook, but as of the latest version of the Excel, it's actually based on the memory of your computer, and so you can continue to add and add and add worksheets to this, but you are going to get to a point where things are going to start slow down on you. Okay, so 255 is still pretty good number to not restrict your computer too much, but it is open beyond that. And take a look. I will hit a little plus sign here. They are just blank worksheets within my blank workbook, and let's go back to the sheet 1. Now within the sheet we have got these grids, right? So these are all called as grids. This is just kind of the basics of the structure of an Excel workbook. You have got this grid, and then this grid is made up of columns, got all your headers there along the top and the rows down the side there. All right, so currently things are pretty good, and we can understand more on that. So currently looking at sheet 1, I am currently inside of a cell. This block right here called as A1. If I click someplace else here, I'm at column, let's say G. So this is called G11. I'm currently have a cell selected as G11. All right, we can also see this up inside the name box top of your screen. If you see, this is in the earlier lecture we said that this is called as the name block box, and wherever you put your cursor, you will see the name of that cell in the name box. Okay, I click into cell someplace inside this worksheet, and it will just tell me where I am currently at the workbook, where I can reference that location as, right? So this is really a workbook. You have got the Excel workbook. It's broken up like a grid. You are going to keep your data inside the columns and rows. You can reference that data by the column header and row header, and if you see here, then in this case F4 is where I am currently at, and you can have multiple sheets inside of a workbook. Remember, 255 a pretty good number. That's a lot of worksheets, but you can have lots. Like maybe you are going to do a worksheet for each week of the year, or maybe monthly data, then you need a worksheet for each month. Maybe you get daily reports, so you need 365 of those things to keep track of your daily data. Whatever it is, I can keep hitting the plus sign here, right, and add additional worksheets to the Excel workbook itself. So take a moment, make a quick jump into there, get the Excel workbook open in front of you, take a look at the columns, the rows, take a look at the sheets. In much earlier edition of Excel, you may not have the plus sign here, which you see right now here. You may have what looks like kind of a little star or a little sun icon, but that's just your new button right now, the plus sign. So just enough, you know, like if your interface is a little bit different, may not be a plus sign, might a little bit different icon there, but pretty good the functions of the excels are same, the features are more enhanced, which we will cover in our next lectures. All right, so that's all about the Excel interface. Now, if you have any questions on this related just to the interface, then you can just kind of high level, but any questions, go to the comment section and ask your questions there. All right, so that's your Excel interface all about. Now, if you have any questions till now related to Excel interface, you can just go to the comment section and ask your questions there. I will make sure to answer all your questions within my course here on this session. Okay, and if you have some advanced questions, just hold on for that time. I will come up with all the topics, all the features, all the formulas, whatever you want to learn in the Excel, Microsoft Excel, right? So till the time, take a look at that, and then we will jump in and start to get a bit deeper into Excel. Thanks for watching this tutorial. And as I say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey of learning, then please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And we will meet up into the next video. If you have any questions, concerns, do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till that time, goodbye and take care.